Horses out, Gentle Irony breaks quickly at the start, moving up on the outside now is Aling Nayang, Music King, Titanic, Red Soldier, Rita Rabensky, and Randa Danza. We have Gentle Irony goes on by about 2 lengths. Music King now in second, and in third Rita Rabensky alongside Aling Nayang, Red Soldier, Randa Dance and Titanic. They swing into the back. Gentle Irony, his 2 lengths in front of Music King. Moving up now to take third, Red Soldier, running by Drellport, Rita Rabensky. Then followed by Aling Nayang, Titanic, and Randa Dance. And it's still Gentle Irony by about 2 lengths. Music King still in second, Red Soldier in third. Moving up in the middle portion now is Aling Nayang. Down on the inside, Rita Rabensky, Titanic, and Randa Dance. And it's still Gentle Irony by about 3 lengths. Music King still in second. Moving up by the rail now is Aling Nayang, Red Soldier. Gentle Irony increasing his lead now to about 5 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Aling Nayang, Music King, Red Soldier. As they come down at the last 150, Gentle Irony this time by about 5 lengths. Aling Nayang in second, Music King. Last 150, Gentle Irony stretching its lead now to about 10 lengths. And hitting the finish line, the horse to watch, Gentle Irony. Second, Aling Nayang, Red Soldier, Music King.
Yun.